Hello everyone, welcome to another video, another idea how to make money online and how to make money exactly in YouTube channel, how to make a successful YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can looking for in unique name for your channel, help you in SEO YouTube. If you want be ranking in YouTube, look search for name of your channel. If you want to create a new channel, firstly you must you must choose unique name for your channel. Example, first step you can make for beginner, it's to go in YouTube, search YouTube and make this name cats. If your niche it's cats, about cats, you can make cats and like the cats v main cats video cats v and make search like this, and go to this three points and click and go to filters. In filter tips, you can go in tip, change in channel. Look, choose channel in this tip and apply. If you go to apply, here you show you all channel. His name is Gatsby. Look, anyone make this name, street cats, Istanbul cats. Then this name it's unique. Anyone no make this name it's unique. You can make it in your channel. You can change this name. Another step, you can go to amazing website who help you in SEO of your channel. Website name it's spin xo spin xo. Look this, here you can give him what's your name you can give for your channel, like cats. I write cats and go spin. Here 30 name generated, click spin for more. Look at this beefy cats cake. Look, you have 30 name generated. If you want one words, click here and make spin. Here cat scare and cats. And if you choose any name here, like Aldi cat, view cat, like view cat, and go to another next step, it's go to another website, name checker. His name is name checker, like this. And here you can look, it's this website tell you if this name available or unavailable in Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Twitch, Meetup, YouTube. We interested in YouTube. What's name? View cards. View cards. And in Meetup, it's available. Pinterest unavailable. Fred Brenner available. It's It's interesting website. I like it. I like this website name checker. It's a good website to change a unique name for your channel, new channel, and you can here change a unique name and make a cash cow channel. um, and don't forget to make like and subscribe for this channel too. I give you a lot of advices in YouTube, how to make money on YouTube, and how to make money online on general. Just make like and share to help another people to make money easy in YouTube and make a passive income. All this you find it in our channel. Don't forget to make subscribe, and be practice, take action to make your channel. It's easy way to make money online if you are a beginner in online business. Thank you for watching.